this is called a fidget spinner. And this you could like spin around when you're like bored. And when you're in school, it'd be like, hey, you want a fidget spinner? Got it. Got a fidget spinner. Got a fidget spinner. So this is pretty fun. And when you need it, you can be like, human beings do it like that with your hands. Like for me, when you do it fast, you do it with one finger. See? Look how fast is it going? Look at this. It's going super fast, bro. Look at this. Oh my god, bro, it's going super fast. Oh my god. And like people who like know how to use these, they use it like that. But I use it with 2 fingers like that. And in the other last video, I didn't get to show you, like when I get stuck, when it goes slow, like I'm gonna pretend like it's slow. When it goes like that and then it like stops like that, what you wanna do is like take these 2 like that and then like push the side that it's not like pushed. Right now it's like, you see this? It's not pushed in all the way. This one up top here, this one is not pushed all the way. See? It's not pushed all the way. So when that happens, you wanna do this. Like wanna like push it in back. When you hear a crack, that means it's, you see, I just heard it. And then it goes super fast. It's going way more faster. And thank you for watching my fidget spinner video. And the last one that I made was super crazy. That was yesterday. And today I just might make a vlog about me just playing with my neighbor and stuff. The one that you saw in the last video. And I'll just go get my black one. It doesn't really work that much, but I'm gonna just show you it. Alright, so I'm back. And I put all my fidget spinners in this like Fulton Bank thing that they gave me at school. So I just put it in here. Nothing in here anyway. Look at this. Nothing. So I just need to, when I take it to school, I'll be like, oh, I was bored. I'm taking these to school. You know, it's good. These things are good. Get them. I don't know. I think we got them free. But I don't know yet. I don't know. But these I recommend. So if you want one, you could go to Fulton Bank and they might give you one. And the other thing about these, wait, yeah, this side is the same problem. We'll see if I can crack it. Wow, this one's okay. Whoa. I heard that this black one is the fastest one. And if you see, I changed the thumb caps right here. I changed the thumb caps. The black ones of this one was for this one. I think the red looks doper with this one, so that's why I got it with this one. And these I got, like, I showed you in the last video, but I could repeat it. These, this one $5 and this was $6. So they're pretty cheap for me. I don't know for you, but look at this. Which one do you think is faster? Which one do you think is faster? Comment down in the comments if which one you think is faster. But today, you know, it's gonna be like a spinning video and stuff. Just spin it like that. I'm gonna show you my balcony and then I'm gonna spin it out there. It got super shiny out here. So what I do is like I spin it like that. Look how cool this thing looks. What the frick? Look Look at this, bro. Oh my god. Dude, what the frick? Look at those huge ones right there, bro. Look at this. It's mad shiny up here. Look at this. It's mad shiny. So this stupid pole. Look at this. It's mad shiny too there. I think today's gonna be like one of those warmer days because right now it's at 60. Might go up like 70. But thanks for watching my video and I hope you like it. And today I might do a vlog. But thank you for watching my videos. And see you guys later.